Hi guys, my name is Layla Malgosa and I'm doing What is the RNA World? And in the background is an image of seeing an RNA at the conoscale. Alright, so the RNA world hypothesis suggests that life on Earth began with a simple RNA molecule that could copy itself without help from other molecules. DNA, RNA, and proteins are central to life on Earth. RNA can drive chemical reactions like proteins and carries genetic information like DNA. Because RNA can do both these jobs, many scientists think life as we know it began in a RNA world without DNA and proteins. So here is an image of life on Earth began with a simple RNA molecule that can copy itself. And then here's just an image of RNA and DNA side by side. So scientists believe that RNA evolved on Earth by building blocks emerging in a chaotic soup of molecules on early Earth. Some RNAs turned out to be more stable than others. Eventually, RNA strands grew faster than they broke down. This was RNA's chance to start life. So here's an image of RNA living up to 2 minutes. It's like the average life rate. All living things reproduce. They copy their genetic information and pass it onto their offspring. For RNAs to start life, they needed to reproduce too. Scientists think nucleotide building RNAs evolved on early Earth to provide nucleotides for building new RNAs. According to the RNA world theory, RNAs were made using free-floating nucleotides that emerged in a primordial soup of molecules. So here's an image of RNAs using free-floating nucleotides. So there's an image right here. So scientists attempt to recreate the conditions of early Earth in a test tube have managed to evolve a number of RNA machines that can drive chemical reactions to make some parts of a nucleotide. This proves that RNA can drive nucleotide building chemical reactions. Researchers have yet to create an RNA machine that can create whole nucleotides using ingredients that would be available on primitive Earth. And here's an image of the RNA world. So RNA turning into RNA and protein, and then DNA turning into RNA and protein. Ribosomes, which are a cell's protein assembly machines, are made of ribosome RNAs and proteins. Back in the RNA world, it is possible that one RNA may have grabbed onto another RNA to create an RNA machine that, for the first time ever, linked amino acids together to make a protein, which the first version of a ribosome. So here's an image of a ribosome, a cell's protein assembly machine, and this is my reference.